Hello viewers, welcome back. In this video, we're gonna see about how to integrate PyCharm and Git using Git commands. Open the PyCharm app, create a new project. Here, enter the directory and project name. Enter the project name, click on create. Wait for a few seconds. Interpreter will be added and virtual environment will be created. Now, let us create a file main.py. Here, let us create a function add a, b. So let us run the file. Here we can see 7 on the console. It means interpreter is working and we can run the project. Now here we can see there is no commit tab. There is no branch details here. Here we can see just version control. It indicates that we are added a Git repository with this project. So click on the Git, click on the terminal, enter the command git status. Here not a Git repository. It indicates that Git repository is not attached with this project. Here type git init. Here you can see file name is white in color. So here we have initialized empty Git repository. Here you can see commit tab is enabled. Version control system. This tab is changed from version control system to branch details or Git details. Version control system to branch master. And color of the file is red color. It indicates that this file is not added to the Git. After it is added to the Git, the color changes from red to green color. Let us add the file. Git add main.py. So file is added to the Git. Color changes from red to green. You can find here. It is just added. So let's commit the changes of main file. Git commit main.py -m commit message main file. So changes are committed. Still we are on empty repository. Now we need to create a repository and integrate with the PyCharm. Go to the Chrome browser, open your GitHub account, log in, OK. Click on the new create repository. It is creating. So repository is created. Copy this link. Come to the PyCharm. Enter the command git remote add origin. Paste the link. So we have established a link with PyCharm and this Git repository. Now I want to create a new branch from branch of master. Git checkout -b dev. So currently we are on dev branch. Here we can see tag icon is on dev. That indicates that we are on dev branch. The main file is committed. Now we need to push git push origin dev. Dev branch is created and code is pushed. Let us verify on the GitHub. Go to the browser, refresh it. Here you will find dev branch is created. Main file is pushed. We have the addition function here. Now let us create a new branch out of dev branch. Now for testing, I will create a new branch QA and I will check out. So everything which is there in the dev branch is committed into new QA branch. Now we need to push the code. Git push origin QA. Now let us verify on our GitHub profile. Refresh it. You can see that new QA branch is created and we can find main.py file with addition functionality. Now let us see how to merge. So in order to merge, let us create a new functionality subtraction return a-b. So I have added subtraction functionality in QA. I will commit this file. So subtraction functionality is pushed into QA branch. Let us verify. Refresh it. Here we can find subtraction functionality in QA branch, but in dev branch there is no subtraction functionality. Now I want to merge the dev branch from QA branch. Let us do it. If you want to merge two branches, first of all you need to check out into the destination branch. As QA branch is updated with subtraction functionality, dev branch doesn't have it. So I need to check out into destination branch, that is dev branch. The current branch is dev. I need to merge the code from QA branch. Git merge. So code is merged. We can find subtraction functionality here. Automatically it is committed. Just we need to push it. So latest subtraction functionality is pushed into dev branch. Let us verify. So in dev branch there is subtraction functionality reflected. Okay. Now sometimes what happens is if two developers work on the same functionality and same file, sometimes conflicts arises due to difference of code at the same location. So as of now we don't have any conflict. Let us create the conflict manually and resolve it through git commands. Come back to the PyCharm. Let us create multiplication functionality. Let us assume everything is correct in dev branch. So I will commit it. Multiplication is committed. Push it. Let us verify. So multiplication is pushed. Return a into b. Now let us check out into QA branch. Let us create the same multiplication functionality with a mistake or difference. Here you can find that return a by b, not a into b. In dev branch it is return a into b. Let us commit it. Refresh it. In dev it is written a into b, but in QA it is written a by b. So there is a conflict. We must get a conflict for sure while merging. So currently we are under QA branch. let us assume this is the destination branch. We need to merge with the source branch, that is dev branch. So git merge dev. So here we got a conflict in merging. These are the differences where we have got the conflict. Here you can resolve it manually like this, or click on the resolve conflicts. Wait for a while. If you want what is in the QA branch, push it like this or accept left. Or if you want from the dev branch, push it like this or accept right. Now I want from the dev branch. I have selected it and apply. So it is committed automatically. Now we need to push the code into QA. Code is pushed. Let us verify. Still here it is A by B. Refresh the page. Here you can find A into B. In the dev branch it is A into B. So it is how you need to resolve the conflicts while merging two branches. So these are the commands you need to follow to use GitHub with PyCharm. I have attached the cheat sheet of GitHub commands in the description box. Please download it. Practice as I have shown. Thank you for watching.